Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious toast with ham, eggs, and cheese. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started cooking here. Okay, we're going to need to crack some eggs here. Now to that we're going to add a little salt and a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder, and some smoked paprika, just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add maybe about an ounce of milk or so, and now we're going to mix that up. Okay, to that we're going to add some spinach leaves. And we're going to mix that up. Okay. Now we're going to set our burner to medium-low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. And let that heat up a little bit. Okay, our pan is nice and hot here. We're going to take our egg mixture here and we're going to take our bread and dunk it right in there. Just like that. We're going to put it right in the pan here. Just like that. We'll take another piece. Dunk it in there. And we're going to put it right in the pan. Just like that. Now we're going to cover them and let them cook just for a little bit. Okay, they look good. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to take our cheese and we're going to put that right on top there. Then we're going to take a piece of ham. And we're going to put that on top. Then we're going to take another piece of cheese. Put that on top. And another piece of ham. And another piece of cheese, because we like cheese. And we're going to put another piece of ham on there. So there's 3 pieces of ham and 4 pieces of cheese. Okay, now we're going to take our egg ring here and we're going to spritz that with a little bit of oil, and we're going to put that right on this other piece of toast here, and we're going to take another egg and we're going to crack it right in the middle here, just like that, and we're going to cover that and let everything kind of cook and melt. That looks good. Okay, let's see if we can get this egg ring out of here. Not too bad. Okay, how's our cheese? Looks pretty good. Now we just assemble our sandwich here. Yeah, that looks good. Now we're going to add some spinach leaves. Spritz them around on top, make it look nice. Yeah, that makes it look nice. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Yeah, that makes it taste good. Now we're going to cover that and let everything get nice and hot. Yeah, I can't wait to get into that. Boy, that looks good. Smells good too. Okay, let's get that out of there. It's done. Wow. Beautiful. Can you see that? Boy, is that yolk jiggly or what? Wow, that cheese is really melted. Okay, I can't wait to get into that. Boy, that looks good. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious toast with ham, eggs, and cheese. Plenty of cheese, plenty of ham. And while we're at it, we made a hollandaise sauce. And we're going to put that over the top a little bit. And we're going to spritz out a little more pepper, because we like pepper. And a tiny bit of parsley. Yeah, that makes it look nice. Okay, let's just see how our egg is. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just beautiful. That's beautiful right there. Alright, let's get into a little piece. Wow. Can you see it? Boy, is that gonna be tasty. Beautiful. Well, toast never tasted this good before. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Wow, is this tasty. Let me get a closer look. Boy, is that tasty. Yep, just go ahead and make them just like this in a pan, like French toast style, and then go ahead and add your ham and plenty of cheese, because that's where it's at right there, the cheese. And this hollandaise sauce is really nice with the spinach in there. Yeah, you can't beat this. Yeah, you know, go good with this right here, a nice pot of coffee. And I did make it this time, so we're good. That sounds good. Boy, is this delicious. Okay guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.